Good evening to all of us. Again, I am Eloisa Obicruz, and tonight I will make my second activity on AutoCAD. So I will show on screen the photo of the sixth diagram for you to see what I will be doing or what I will be making. So the first thing that I will make is the first diagram, which consists of the circle. I will type the circle and I will click anywhere, and I will enter the radius that I prefer, which is 60, and enter it. The second thing that I will do is to type the line. I will find the center of this, and I will type 80 for the length downward. Enter. And again, line. Start from the center. Start from here, and I will make an ortho off for me to make an angle of 145. That's what I prefer. Click and just connect it. Connect, and I will make here downward ortho on a 70 length. Enter, just like that. Again, line. I will just connect this from here, ortho off, from here to here, which is the radius, the outside of the circle. Click, escape, line again. The outside of this circle. I will start here, and this will be my reference. It locked, and I will just connect it. And line. I will make a 65 degree here. Wait, this is my preference, and I will make a 65 and connect it. So I am done for the first figure. So the second thing that I will do is the second diagram, which consists of one polygon that has 6 sides and 3 circles. So I will start on making of a polygon with 6 sides, and I will just click anywhere to inscribe a circle, and ortho on. I will make a quite 100 polygon, and I will just type line to make a vertical line over here. Ortho on, ortho off to make a diagonal over here, to make a horizontal over here, and another diagonal over here. And again, we will start making those 3 circles, and I will start from here, and I prefer a 43.15 radius. I'll just enter it, and again, circle, find the midpoint of this line, midpoint, enter the radius, and another circle, I'm sorry for that. Circle from to the midpoint, and another 43.15 for the radius, and we're done. But the last thing that we will do is just to trim the lines because it's not in the diagram. Enter, trim this one. I can't trim it at all. I don't know why, but I'll just erase it later. Again, we'll go to the erase these lines. Again, erase because I can trim those. I don't know why, but we can go to So we're done in the second figure. So at this point, we are in the third. So the first thing that we will do again is to make a polygon that consists of 8 sides. I'm gonna click anywhere to inscribe a circle, and again, a quite 110, I guess. So the second thing that I will do is just type line. I will find the center of this polygon, and I'll make a horizontal downward, and again from the center to here, line, and send this which is perpendicular, And again, I'll make a line that is 0 degree. You can see that it is 0 degree, and I'll just connect it from here. I'll just press ortho on, just like that. So we will just trim a little part of it. We will trim this part. Trim. I'll just select it all, enter, and I'll trim this part. This just like that, and then escape. So the second thing that we will do is to array. I'll select this 3, 4, 5 lines, and I'll click enter, polar, and I will click this specific center, and I'll just change the items into 8 items. Just like that, we are done. Just escape. We are done in the third. So right now we will do the fourth diagram, which consists of 5 circles. We will just span this a little bit higher for us to have a more space in doing it. So the second thing that I will do is that type circle. I prefer to have a 100 radius, just like that, and I will offset it into 100. I mean like 10. And again, I will make a circle of 4 circles with same sizes and offset. I will just 50 for 50, the half of 100, and I'll just offset it. Offset through, select 10, just like that. And I will just copy it for 3 more, 4. And I will make a line here, which is 45, for me to have a reference later on in connecting those circles. 50. Oh, I mean like 100. Again, line, start from here, 45, 100. Again, line, 135. I can't see it, so I'll just make it longer for me to see the 105 degree, and I will just, you know what, I will just type tab and I'll just type 100. Oops, that's wrong, I guess. 105 and 100, and the other one is line, connect here, again 105, 100. Same with these smaller circles. I will just find the center of those, find the center. So this is the center, and I'll make 135. I'll make it bigger for me to see it clearly, and 50 for the enter, just like that. I'll just span it a little bit, and again, line, center, find the center of it. I'll make a 45, 50, enter, line, 135, 50. I'm sorry for that. That's an unnecessary one. So line again for the last one, I guess 35, 45. I will just make it longer again for me to see it clearly, and just find the 45 degrees and enter the 50 for the radius. So we are done. We will just have to connect it one by one, just like here. And I'll just move this and try to, oh no, I'm so sorry, I need to highlight it all, and I'll just need to connect here. This is quite hard, but it'll be easy just like that. And again, we need to highlight this one to connect it to here. This is quite giving me an anxiety, but what else can we do? We need to be patient in doing this. Just like that. And this one, highlight this again, connect this one to here, the last two. I'm so sorry, I am having a hard time connecting this, but we'll be patient. I guess we need to move it a little more. I have bad eyesight and I am wearing eyeglasses right now, but we will manage to finish this activity. I just need to connect this one just like that. So we're done, but we're quite done. But what we need to do is to trim or erase those lines. So we'll just trim, and we will just we need to highlight all of those, and we will trim this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Oh no, this one, this one. And we will also trim the unnecessary curves, which we need to this one, this one. We will just need to look on the diagram. We need to look to the diagram. Oops, that's opposite one. Just like that. And the last one will be just like that, and trim all these lines. I don't know if you can see it, but that's it. I'll just erase it, so because I can see it clearly, you know. Erase. I don't know what that is, but trim again. This is just probably taking a lot of time, but we need to be patient though. Enter. You need to delete those unnecessary lines. So that's it. We are done. We just need to kinda move it a little bit here. So we are done for the fourth diagram. So right now we will do the fifth diagram, which is very easy. We just need to type the rectangle that has a 200. I'll prefer 200. I mean, like, again, rectangle, and 200 for its sides, comma 200, just like that. I'll just need to move it a little bit for me to be just like that, as you can see. So I'll zoom it again, pan, and I just need to type the hatch, and I'll pick a pattern over here. I would love this, and I will click it here, and just, I think we're done. Just like that. we are done. So this is the last diagram that I will make. So first, type the circle, and make a radius of 50. I'll just move it a little bit lower, and offset for about, enter through, select the object, 10, and enter again, 10, enter again, 10, enter, and the last one, 10, enter. And I just need to cut this in half using the vertical line. I'll make a vertical line over here to this one. Just enter and trim, type trim, highlight it all, enter, and I'll cut this in half, just enter. So basically we just need to also erase this one because we don't need it. Enter. So we need to make a vertical line. Line. We need to make a horizontal line that has a 10 of length, and I don't know if you can see it. I mean like line. We just need to move to zoom in, and probably a 50, just like that. And I just need to offset this one. I mean like offset. Select this object. I just need to start this one, and the last one. And all we need to do is just to type array, select this all, and enter polar, and start from here. And I'll just need to make this to 4 because that's what we need. Just type, and just like that we are done. We are done in our second activity on AutoCAD. So thank you for watching, guys.